In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Airtable to Mailchimp using Zapier. This seamless integration will save you time and effort by automatically syncing your contacts from Airtable to your Mailchimp list. Follow along as we go through each step to set up this useful automation process. First, we need to create a new Zap in Zapier. To get started, head over to Zapier and log into your account. Once you're logged in, locate the Create Zap button, which is usually found on the dashboard, and give it a click. This will open up the canvas where we'll configure our automation workflow. Next, we're going to set Airtable as our trigger. The trigger event is what prompts the automation to start. In this case, select Airtable as the trigger app. You'll see a few options for trigger events. You'll want to select either New Record or New Record in View. This ensures that every time a new entry is added in Airtable, the automation is activated. Now connect your Airtable account to Zapier by following the on-screen instructions. After you've successfully connected, you need to specify the base and table from Airtable that you want to monitor. Just a quick note. Airtable's Zapier integration offers triggers like New Record and Record Added to View, so choose the one that best fits your needs. Once Airtable is set as the trigger, it's time to set Mailchimp as the action. Choose Mailchimp to serve as the action app. This is where your data will be sent when the trigger is activated. For the action event, you'll select Add Update Subscriber. This tells Zapier that whenever the trigger event occurs, it should either add a new subscriber or update an existing one in Mailchimp. Again, you'll need to connect your Mailchimp account to Zapier if you haven't already done so. When prompted, choose the Mailchimp audience or list where you'd like to add or update subscribers. Now let's map your fields, which will ensure that the right data is transferred accurately from Airtable to Mailchimp. You'll be presented with fields from Airtable that you'll need to match to corresponding fields in Mailchimp. Start by mapping the Airtable email field to the Mailchimp email address field. Then, match Airtable's first name to Mailchimp's name field and last name to lname. If you have a status field, you can map it to tags or groups in Mailchimp, depending on your setup. With everything mapped out, it's time for testing and activation. Run a test to ensure everything is working smoothly. This test will simulate the transfer of a new contact from Airtable to Mailchimp. Check your Mailchimp audience to confirm that the contact appears as expected. If all looks good, the final step is to turn on the Zap. By doing so, your automation is live and ready to start transferring data automatically as new entries are added to Airtable. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Airtable to Mailchimp using Zapier, streamlining your workflow. Don't forget to periodically review your automation to ensure it's running smoothly and make any necessary adjustments as your needs evolve. Thanks for watching and happy automating.